And the National Orientation Agency says communicating right messages is key to reducing infection in the communities. The Director General of the agency, Garba Abari, stated this while presenting the fourth and fifth report of the sensitization exercise of the agency on COVID-19 pandemic. He noted that the agency observed a total collapse and non-compliance of citizens with laid down COVID-19 protocols by experts in the course of its activities in ensuring that all Nigerians are sensitized on the danger of the COVID-19 virus. Presenting the agency's report, the Director General, Garba Abari, said the aim of the agency on its sensitization activities is to ensure that the spread of COVID-19 virus is brought to its barest minimum.
Regrettably, we continue to get reports from our field officers that despite effort, many Nigerians continue to disbelieve the existence and the spread of COVID-19. This observation featured in our two last reports and was the basis of our use of influencers in campaign and in sensitization. 2, we continue to get reports from the field that citizens have further dropped their guards and are not taking responsibility by not using any of the recommended measures, including the use of face masks, sanitizers, and the frequent hand washing with soap and water. The face mask has largely become jaw masks, with people using them only when it will be required for entry into public places. We have noticed in instances where taxi drivers hang the masks in their taxis and give to passengers who don't have to wear and take it back from them when they are dropping for use by another passenger who may not have. There cannot be a faster rate of transmission.
Speaking further, Abari said the agency has fully covered 26 states in the country, and reports from the remaining 10 states is being prepared and will be presented to the public soon, stressing that the latest activity of the agency is the thorough sensitization of the 774 local government area of the Federation.
We must note that the gradual easing of the lockdown does not mean an end to the scourge. It simply means that we can live our lives by taking individual and the community responsibility for the health of everybody in the society. We appeal to state and the local governments to begin sensitization in schools in view of the partial resumption of schools activities. Service providers should ensure that customers are reminded to observe the precaution measures, especially the use of certain sanitizers and face masks. The National Orientation Agency will continue to preach. We will continue to emphasize, to synthesize, and to advocate that individuals must take personal responsibility to protect themselves and by so doing also protecting others. Together, we shall win the war against COVID-19.
The NOADG further called on all the states and the Federal Capital Territory to begin intense sensitization in schools as a result of the partial resumption order by the government.